Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm in my truck right now because she's fixed, as you can tell by the moving backdrop here. It's not a green screen, believe it or not. It is actually the road, and transmission feels really good. Got to give a huge shout out to Cantrell Racing. They're did it, and honestly, I'm kind of surprised they got it done as quick as they did. It was just like a week, a little less than a week that it was there at their shop, and they got it done, which is pretty impressive, because all the other shops were like, oh, we're 6 weeks out. Like, fuck, okay. But anyway, I will say one thing. This is the first time I've actually felt the converter lock on my truck. And it's pretty cool. Not gonna lie, pretty cool. Puts a smile on my face. Also, he put a shift kit in it, the guy at Cantrell. And I can tell. I can definitely tell. I can also very much tell that this is a brand new transmission. He said the only thing that is original or the same is the case, and I think he said the 3/4 drum. Yeah, that's what he said. So this is literally a brand new transmission, like completely brand new, and it feels awesome, very torquey. So I'm really happy, very, very happy. I'm headed to work right now. We've got Mastercraft reunion this weekend. Today's Friday. Tonight's the dinner. Tomorrow is the tie-up. And in case you guys can't hear it, yeah, it's raining. It's raining pretty good too. So we'll see how this weekend goes. Apparently that's a trend. It always rains on Mastercraft reunion weekend, and then it like clears up for just a little bit of time. But whatever. We'll see where it goes. I would have gotten my initial reaction last night, but honestly I kind of just wanted to get home. So, you know. But it's fun. It is fun. I'm being nice to her. You know, good old girl got 310,000 miles on her. Can't just go around beating her when she just got a new transmission, you know. Alright, that's all I wanted to say. Okay guys, I am out here with the truck. You can see here, truck's here, truck's back, and she is running good. Yeah, she's running good. Transmission, I'll show you guys this. It is crazy. So obviously we had to get the transmission fixed, which is right there. Case looks the same, except for it's really clean. What else? Oh yeah. So since the transmission was out, it was really easy to get to the rear main, as well as the oil pan gasket. So the guy at Cantrell Racing went ahead and fixed all of my oil leaks too. And through the pan, through the power washer is what it looks like, because it is clean. So that's taken care of. Transmission is taken care of. Now, the next thing that we need to do, well, you know, really is work on the engine some more. See what's going on. And also, I should probably at some point take the front differential out and do a refresh on that, clean it up, seal it back up, because it's been leaking for a while. As you can tell, it's pretty dirty. And also, whew, I don't know why I flipped the camera like this, but we're gonna roll with it. If you guys remember, my passenger side upper ball joint just decided to take a shit on me one day, so I had to replace that. And well, now my tire tread is, well, fucked. Yeah, so I need a new tire. Like this knob is like almost new. This knob is gone. This knob is almost gone. That knob is almost gone. That knob is almost gone. This knob right here is like almost there, halfway through, and then gone the other half. But good news is, just down the road a little bit, I guess not that way, but over in that direction, there is a tire shop that carries Hercules tires, which is the brand of this. Ironman Tires is the daughter company, if I remember right, if that's right. Yeah, I think so. So, I need that. I need a new tire. I also need to check out all my steering stuff. I might do that when I have the front differential out, which I don't know necessarily when I'll get that done. Probably first semester, but I'll get that done eventually. And I need to wash my truck. It is dirty. But yeah, it's hard to tell. I might still have that hesitation. I might not. Because I'm pretty sure that you can get a hesitation through having something wrong with your transmission. Now, I don't think that's it. I think there's something else going on. But the transmission definitely wasn't helping it. Go-kart over it. Not go-kart, golf cart, golf cart. So, yeah, I still need to figure out stuff for the engine. Yeah, that's kind of it. New tire, check out my steering, check out the front differential. I'm saying I'm going to do the steering at the same time as the differential because it's really easy to get to once the front differential is out. So, emergency brake. Yeah, I still need to figure that out. I'll need to get my truck into a better position on the driveway to do that. Maybe back it in or back it in sideways or something like that. Somewhere where I can get more of a level playing field on it, you know. So I'm not having to chuck, well, I'm going to chuck wheels either way, but so I'm not concerned my truck is going to roll on top of me and kill me. So yeah. I think that's it. I can't remember if I talked about everything that the guy did for my transmission in the last clip. So I'm going to check that real quick and I'll be back. Either A, to do an outro, or B, to tell you what we did. What the guy at Cantrell did. So, give me just a second. Okay, yep, I did talk about it. I didn't really go into depth though. Basically, he took the whole thing apart, which he had to do either way to figure out what was wrong with it. Took it all apart, rebuilt everything, like every single thing in there. It's a brand new transmission, as I said. Only thing that's original is the case and the 3/4 drum. And I also said that. He even replaced my safety neutral switch, which is on this side. I will show you. Safety neutral switch. Ugh. Once I get down in here, is this right here. If I can, where are you? Where are you? Well, it's up in here. It's right there. You can kind of see it there. That's the rod that connects to the safety neutral switch, which is right behind it. So, yeah, everything's new. Valve body's new. Pickup tube, all that type of stuff is brand new. All of the planets and all of the suns and all of the rings, all of that, all of the drums, All of it's brand new. All of the seals are brand new. And all that type of good stuff. And I shouldn't have to worry about it. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna get out from under here again. And yes, I still need to do rocker panels and cab corners on the driver's side, but I will find out somewhere and sometime to do that soon. I might be able to talk to my boss about it, because he has a pretty good shop for it. He actually does a lot of forging, which is badass. And I'm trying to set up my phone. I don't want to hold it because I'm lazy. Because we're... Nope. That works. Right there. Yes. So yeah, he has a pretty good shop. I might talk to him about doing it. I would have to go up to Olathe to grab the actual pieces of metal for it. But that's neither here or there, you know. Not that big of a deal. If I'm going back to Pitt or something, I might as well. Which I am going back to Pitt every other weekend because of cheer. So yeah, and my phone is sliding down slowly. But yeah, so I'll talk to him, see what he thinks about it, because he's pretty good at welding. Yeah, what do you guys think about the hairdo? I got the permed mullet going on. I figured I got it on the 4th of July this year. Obviously this year, because this is the first time you've seen it. But yeah, I got it on the 4th of July. And my whole family was down in Shell Knob, where I'm at right now, for the vacation that we do every year. So yeah, it was pretty great. Yep. What else? Is there anything else? I don't think so. It's just engine, steering, front differential, e-brake, and then just some housekeeping stuff. Like I still want to mount the amplifier fuse onto the actual fuse box, or somehow get it into the fuse box. I could probably figure that out. I would just have to get a bigger fuse. I think there are some blanks in that fuse panel, if I'm right. But yeah, just some housekeeping stuff after that. But honestly, I don't know how long all this will take. So, you know, it'll be a video here, video there. Oh, I'm doing this today, and then I'm going to switch back to this, and then I'm back on this, you know, just completely scatterbrained Craig over here, which is what I usually am. Okay, yeah, I'm going to end off this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are excited that the truck is back, at least partially excited, you know. You don't have to be as excited as I was, because I was without a truck for about 2 weeks. But, you know, if you enjoyed this video, go on ahead, give it a like. And if you enjoy what I'm putting out here, go on ahead and subscribe. And, yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.